Hey everyone, it's Ed at R U Cars. This is our 2015 BMW 1 Series. It's a 120D auto with the 8-speed gearbox. It's finished in Glacier silver, with the black leather. Nice spec. Got the LED lights. As you can see, it is a facelift car. It's got the 461 ferric grey alloys. Looks well in silver in my opinion. Very clean, very straight. It's got the business nav, heated seats, cruise, privacy glass as you can see, parking sensors, DAB radio. It is ULEZ compliant, so if you live in London, could be for you. Nice being auto as well. Recent brakes, full BM history up to 42,000 I think. You can do a service now, which we'll do in-house. All your tyres are good. It's got your front parking sensors as well as the rear. Yeah, nice car this. Let's show you inside. All very clean and tidy in the boot. No signs of dogs. You've got the split folding rear seats and your load net. And your parcel shelf is there as well. Inside, the black Dakota leather, which is in very nice condition, with the rear Isofix and your rear electric windows. This one's also got 3 full-size headrests. It's down as an option on the BMW system. I'm not sure if it is an option or not, to be honest. Would have expected headrest to be standard. Same in the front. Very nice condition. Minimal wear to the driver's bolster. And you do get the facelift steering wheel, of course, as it is a facelift car. Auto lights and wipers. Paddle shift, the brushed aluminium trim with your driving modes, and we have got a red start button. I'm sure it makes it faster, but it looks quite cool to be fair, so we've left that. Anyway, I've got 4 miles worth of fuel, 60,422 miles only. DAB radio. Bluetooth audio and telephone. Press the wrong button there. CD, external and your auxiliary. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Auxiliary input. Bluetooth telephone, of course, with your navigation, vehicle information, status. Waiting for the TPMS to reset. There we go, service requirements. There are no service requirements. Here we go, history. So, BMW up to 42,000. Done at 10. At 19, I think this was brake fluid. Oh, service carried out. 25, 32, 34, 42. We've also got the printout for this, and it's due now. It's on 2-year service intervals. Everything else all good. Range is 4 miles, which we know about, and tyre pressures are resetting again, which we know about, so no faults there for you. Parking sensors front and rear. Dual climate control with the heated seats. Cup holders with the inserts as well for your key if you like them. There you go, they just whip out, look, and you got 2 cup holders. All the trinket trays. Auxiliary and USB in the armrest. Handbooks are in the glove box, and that is about that. Cool car this, I really like it. Give us a call if you'd like to book in for a test drive. Our number is 01509 267 111. And if you require finance, we can help with that. We work with a variety of lenders and brokers to try and find you the best deal we can. Give us a call. Cheers, guys.